Hi, my name is Joseph Etim. I used to be a workforce manager with the customer service department of Jumia Nigeria. Okay, so I heard about the fellowship program because I had a friend who had gone through that same experience with the bulb, and it was superb, and the testimonials were great from their ex-schools, so I just felt like it would be the perfect place, and besides it was closer to my residence, so it was more convenient for me to come to the bulb compared to anywhere else. Okay, so before coming to the bulb to actually learn, I was already a designer, right? Because I took personal classes on my own. So, but I still came to bulb because I wanted to understand how they did what they did and how they were able to churn out very great students. And aside from that, I did personal learning because they were mostly online classes. But I wanted to also have a one-on-one interactive experience with somebody who had been in the field, and that was how I came to meet Ife, who was also very superb, was working with several companies, and I got to understand that I was actually good enough. I was better than I thought, but I became even better by being at the bulb, and from there I was able to show my worth and came out best in my class, and that was how I was able to train other people. So it was a good part for me because I had this penchant for training people right from my secondary school to my university days. Okay, so my training experience was really interesting. I met very amazing people, made friends out of my classmates, made friends from my facilitator, and there was so much support, especially from the community manager and the staffs here, right? Always trying to get an update on your learning. There were surveys to gauge how you were faring, to actually know if you were getting your money's worth. And aside that, the training hub is a safe haven to always come to. So I spent 70% of my time here. I'm always here early. I don't leave even after classes because it's more convenient to stay here and learn. The internet access is fabulous too. Okay, so the challenges you face as a product designer would really be accepting that what you just created is good enough, right? So there's always room to want to improve. There's always something you want to adjust. Maybe it's the typography, maybe it's the color scheme, maybe it's the layout. There's a whole lot you still want to improve, because when you go through design inspiration platforms like Dribble and the likes, you just keep coming up with new ideas on how to maybe improve on the platform. But coming to accept something can be a very big challenge as a product designer. Okay, so during my training, we worked on a lot. There was a whole lot: landing pages, footers, headers, navigations. A lot was done. But one of my projects involved creating a mobile app where people can order for meals. But aside the fact that people can order for meals on this app, they can actually track their dietary intake. So you can decide, or you can determine how much of carbs you've consumed, how much of protein you've consumed, how much of vitamins, and and the likes, and you can determine this on a daily basis, weekly basis, on a yearly basis. So I felt like this particular solution was something that would be good for people who want to manage their diet. It could be even for those who have nutritional issues or health issues, those who want to slim down, or those who want to gain weight. I think it's for everybody. So it was like one of those solutions. And then another solution that was created was an app that pairs individuals for logistic services. So if you had somebody going towards the direction of your item, you could be paired together and the person delivers an item for you for a fee. These were some of the things among so many things that was created during my time as a product designer with the bulb. Okay, so since I graduated from the program, I'll just say, first off, I credited as the best student in my class, and my facilitator was really impressed by the level of thinking and problem-solving ability I was able to bring in. And I think that is also attributed to the fact that I'd already had a lot of working experience dealing with product and dealing with people, so it played a big role. So after that, I transitioned to training other product designers with the bulb. Then I am also into blockchain, so I design for projects within Web3 because it's more of a space that is not so saturated, and that's what I do most of my time.